Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon. Hope you're all doing well. Today let us take a look at OnePlus Nord Buds 2 earbuds. Before we move on to its features, let us quickly take a look at the vibrant color options they come in. Thunder Grey and Lightning White. They both look stunning, don't they? Now let us unbox these earbuds. We can find the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 charging cable, 4 ear tips, user guide warranty and safety card, and Red Cable Club welcome card, all inside a frustration-free package. Let's look at its sound features. Get 25 decibel active noise cancellation to your environment to block out the unwanted surrounding noise. It is designed with a 12.4 millimeters driver unit, which delivers crisp, clear, and enhanced bass quality sound experience. The bass wave bass enhancement algorithm engoes deep and broad bass to earbuds with fidelity. This algorithm offsets the low frequency responses dynamically. With these earbuds, you get to choose how heavy or light you want your sound with the help of Soundmaster Equalizer's three unique audio profiles: balanced, vocal, and transparent. Coming to the mic, the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 have two mic AI so that you can talk and listen full clarity during calls, even in a noisy environment. These earbuds have an impressive battery life. They can deliver up to 27 hours of playtime with ANC on and up to 36 hours of playtime with ANC off. Thanks to its fast charging, 10 minutes of charge provides 5 hours of playback. Moving on to its connectivity features. You can instantly pair with your OnePlus smartphone as soon as you open the charging case lid. It also has Bluetooth 5.3, which helps to connect to devices easily. Are you constantly worried about your earbuds getting wet? If yes, then we got you covered. These earbuds come with an IP55 water, dust, and sweat resistance. So now you will be able to use your earbuds without any worry outside the house, even during the rainy season. Still curious about why you should buy OnePlus Nord Buds 2 earbuds? Well, here's a quick recap on its key features: 25 decibel active noise cancellation, 27 hours playtime with ANC on, 36 hours playtime with ANC off, and 2 mic AI. Thank you for watching.